Hi, I'm Christy Titus with Hunters Connect. We often spend our preseason daydreaming of tagging that big buck and how we're going to finally outwit him this year. Our prep is spent placing trail cameras, scouting bedding and feeding areas, and identifying stand locations. But are we considering our safety and doing everything that we can to make it home without incident? Tree stand falls are the most common cause of injury and death for hunters in the United States, with nearly 1 in 3 tree stand hunters experiencing a fall or a near fall at some point hunting. And that's not hard to believe, considering many of us spend up to 10 hours a day in a stand. Take a moment with us and make sure that you are well prepared for the fall's hunting season. Let's start with the basics of equipment inspection. Look your stand over from top to bottom, checking the cables, bolts, and welding joints very carefully. Next, inspect your straps of the tree stand and consider replacing them on a regular schedule, even if they appear to be in good condition. If your stand has been left in the field year-round, be sure to take a look at your ladder or steps as well. Next, select a healthy living tree that can support your weight to place your stand in. And be sure it doesn't have any dead limbs or widowmakers hanging above that could fall. Choose a tree that fits within the size recommendation of your tree stand, and preferably one with rough bark that gives the straps a good bite. Before you climb, invest in good safety equipment. A tree stand harness is a non-negotiable item that could very well save your life. And while a harness can protect you once you are in the stand, it is also a wise idea to use a lifeline on the climb up, since most accidents happen from transitioning from the tree to the stand or vice versa. A lifeline is a rope that attaches at one end above the stand and the other at the bottom of the tree. A prusik knot or carabiner slides along this rope, keeping you anchored as you climb. This should be a standard equipment item for you in every tree stand that you plan to sit in. And finally, tell someone when you are going hunting and where you plan to be. Often we forget that there is some inherent risk with our passion for hunting, but it is easier to mitigate with some minor preparation. Leave us a comment if you have additional safety tips for us. Stay safe this fall's hunting season. And thank you for watching Hunters Connect.